One of the great features of the Romeo and Juliet is that you can cut materials with or without a mat. Leonardo Design Studio makes it easy to plan your designs for either scenario. In the design page, you can adjust the artboard from the right side of the page. By default, a 12x12 cutting mat is selected, which displays the exact design area you have to work with when using a 12x12 cutting mat. Additional cutting mat sizes can be selected from the drop-down menu. These will automatically adjust the artboard to reflect the cutting mat size that is selected. If you will be designing on a piece of paper or a material cut to a paper size like Easy Color DTV, you can also check the Print and Cut job box. This will further adjust the artboard to display the paper size over the cutting mat. The paper size can be chosen from the drop-down menu, or you can use your printer settings by clicking Set from Printer. Once you've got the cutting mat set up correctly in Leonardo Design Studio, place your material on the cutting mat and load it into your cutter, making sure that the left side of the mat is aligned with the guide strip on your machine. Be sure that you align your blade in the lower left corner of the material. Be sure to adjust your blade using the directional arrows so that the blade is in the bottom left corner of your material. If you choose not to use a cutting mat, simply select the material roll option from the artboard menu on the design page. This will remove the cutting mat mockup. You can then adjust your artboard to your exact material size by typing the desired width and height. The artboard will automatically adjust to match your settings. If you're cutting scrap material, simply use the directional arrows to adjust your blade in the lower left corner of your scrap material piece. This is where your cut will start from. Once you have the artboard set up correctly in Leonardo Design Studio, load your material directly into the cutter from the back of the machine, aligning the material against the guide line on the left-hand side of the machine. Place your blade in the position you would like to start your cut. Whichever method you choose, be sure to perform test cuts to ensure that you're getting a perfect cut every time. Whether you prefer a cutting mat or tackling projects without one, Leonardo Design Studio was made to be flexible for all your design needs.